Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So for this one we can put like this. That is about the square root of number 3 with s to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have the square root of number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 3. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s go to negative infinity, so that is from here. So I will put this one going here, and we can know that u will go to negative infinity. When s go to positive infinity, so u will go to positive infinity. So the bounds we keep the same. This one we change for u. The s we change for this one. So I will put the square root of number 3 go outside. So the integration of this one, that is about this one, and we have the square root of b. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.